Listen, I know a lot about you, okay? If you don't want to talk with me, just tell me that you don't want to talk.
I don't want to talk to you.
Okay.
What began as a tip about suspicious online activity would expose a high school teacher's dark double life. A trusted educator at St. Thomas Aquinas High School in Edison stood accused of not only possessing child sexual abuse material, but allegedly recording his own students without their knowledge.
Police search warrant! Police search warrant! Come to the door!
Open the door. Open the door.
We're at 30.
Okay. Okay.
Open the door! It's coming down! It's the police! Open the door!
Yeah. What's up?
Police! Search warrant!
Yeah. No.
Search warrant, police!
So my first name's Ken. I'm a detective with the Middlesex County Prosecutor's Office. Thank you guys for being cooperative. I know this is a lot, so just try to stay calm. This is a search warrant allowing us to go through your home and search any electronic devices. Okay. So I'm going to leave it here. When we're done, you can read through it. It's authorization signed by a judge allowing us to do this.
And the reason is?
So I work in the Internet Crimes Against Children unit. We investigate online child exploitation and child pornography.
Okay.
Okay? So I'm going to step outside and talk with your husband for a little bit. We're going to figure out what's going on, and then we'll come back in and, I'll explain what's up.
Okay. Do you need me to,
Okay.
do you need us to give you, the electronics? Or
Yep, we're going to ask you for all that. First thing before anything happens is we're just going to take pictures just showing what the house looks like now before we, start searching, and then we'll go from there.
Okay.
Okay? So I'm going to be outside, but any of these other detectives can, answer your questions or anything.
That's fine.
So what's going on?
So I work in the Internet Crimes Against Children unit.
Okay.
So I investigate online child exploitation and child pornography.
Okay.
Okay? So I would like to just talk in the car. We're not going to go anywhere. I just don't want your neighbors to hear your business.
It's okay.
That's all.
It's okay.
Do you want to go have a seat while he gets the paperwork?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay.
Okay, can I just go wash my freaking feet for a minute? That's all I want. You can go with me.
Okay, so here's what we're going to do. I would like to have this conversation with you.
Okay.
Okay? If you don't want to talk with me, just tell me that you don't want to talk.
I don't want to talk to you.
Okay. At all.
I need a lawyer. I need someone.
Okay, that's fine. That's the paperwork that I was going to read you was going to explain to you what your rights are.
Okay, where are my
Okay.
rights?
So, well, if you don't want to talk to me, then I don't need to read you the
No,
paperwork.
you need to. I mean, it's your duty to tell me what.
Okay, so you want me to read you?
Yeah, I mean, I need
Okay.
to know my. I don't even know my rights.
Listen,
How can I do
listen.
this?
Hear me out here. We do this all the time. Okay, I know that this is your first time being in this situation. I know that you've never been arrested before.
No, never in my life.
I know a lot about you. Okay, I obviously know where you live. I know your cars. I know that's your wife. I know that's your daughter. Okay, I know where you all work. Okay, I'm not saying that I know everything, but I know a decent amount about what's going on at home.
Okay.
I have my whole investigation that I've been conducting for 6 months. Okay, I want to talk with you about it.
Okay.
Okay, like I explained, I showed you the search warrants. I explained to you what this was about. This is about child pornography and online child exploitation.
Okay.
I wanted to have a private conversation in the car, and you wanted to talk out here. So we accommodated you, and we said we can talk out here. I was going to read you the form, but you said you wanted to stay out here.
Okay. Give the
So
form.
if you don't want to talk to me, that's fine. I'm
No.
not going to force you.
No,
If you
it's
want me to
okay.
read you this form so you can decide, we can do that.
I just want to know what can I do. I mean, it's
so-
obvious I'm in kind of trouble. But
So-
what's going on?
So again, right now, you're not under arrest. We have a search warrant for your home. We have detectives inside.
What if you find something?
If we find something, then you might be charged. It depends what we find. If we find something on your wife's,
Just imagine I find something.
then
What's gonna happen? I mean,
so I'm not a lawyer. I work with an assistant.
I'm gonna be
prosecutor.
arrested.
It is a possibility. I don't know.
What can I do? I mean, just tell me what to do.
So I can't give legal advice. I can't tell you what to do or what
Okay,
not
what
to
is
do.
what is my?
So right now, here's what you can decide. If you want to provide a statement and talk to me about what's going on, you can do that. If you don't want to talk with me about what's going on, then that's fine. We're going to have you just have a seat out here while we finish what's going on inside.
Okay.
That's all. Okay? So I can read you this form right now if you want,
Okay, give it.
and you can decide. Do you want to sit down?
No, it's okay. It's okay.
Okay. All right, so I just spoke with him. He's not under arrest right now, but he is just sitting out. You might be able to see him actually. He's just sitting. He's sitting on the corner.
Okay.
Again, he's not under arrest. There is a possibility that he will be charged with a crime depending on what we find here. So I'll leave you the warrants since you're sitting here if you want to,
Okay, thank you.
read them or anything.
So do you have to use this something?
So I can't release too many details because it's still an open investigation, but what I can tell you is that most of our cases that we get in my unit are automatic notifications from all the social media companies like Instagram, Facebook, messaging applications like Kik, Discord. And that was what happened in this case. It was an automatic notification that we got from a company regarding child pornography.
How many devices are connected to the internet?
That, I don't know. That's why we're here. That's why the
Because-
authorization gives us...
Because we regularly get notifications from our internet company about people trying to log into our internet.
So that's not the case in this situation. If it is, depending on what we find on the devices, we would kind of be able to tell that that was the case. But
So it is specifically his device?
yes. Yep, we just need to look at the other devices in the home just to make sure that nothing else is involved. But as long as there's no child pornography on anything, we don't need to take it. Okay? So I'm going to go help out my team so we can get this done quick so we're not standing in your living room all day.
It's okay.
Okay.
They just need to. Well, she needs to make
Sure.
a call for work. So
Yeah,
as
so
soon as we're
I
done
think,
with the phone,
I think usually they start on your devices first so that way we can,
Okay.
you guys can make those phone calls. It shouldn't take them long to go through it and then you can you work at the school
Yeah.
with him? Yeah.
Yeah.
But yeah, as soon as they're done, they can let you make a phone call.
Okay.
Okay? All right. Thank you, and I'm sorry.
All right.
You guys have a pen? I dropped mine inside. Oh, I got it. Never mind. What's the passcode to your phone?
It's a digital thing.
Yep. The numbers.
No, I need to talk to my lawyer.
Okay, so if you don't give us the passcode to your phone, then we have to take it no matter what.
Yeah, you can take it.
Okay, so you're not going to give us the passcode?
Bring me my phone and I open it to you.
Okay. You have his phone? Yeah. He said that he'll unlock it. He just doesn't want to give the passcode.
One more? Okay.
What?
Can I see what you're looking at my phone?
No. Nope.
What did you got?
It's all on body camera. We're not going to do any of that. Do you know the passcode to his phone?
No, I do not. We don't share a password between us.
Okay.
Not there.
Doesn't look like he has Kik or Telegram on here, so he's probably got another device. got his iPad here too. Can you turn the passcode off without the passcode?
No. Go to display.
Oh, just do always on.
Yeah, for now.
No, just leave it here.
Yeah.
If you get any other ones, he'll probably just type in the passcode and not tell you it. No, he turned away. And, yeah.
The high school teacher was arrested and charged with second-degree manufacturing of child sexual abuse material, second-degree endangering the welfare of a child, third-degree possession of child sexual abuse material, and fourth-degree invasion of privacy. He is presumed innocent until proven guilty.